find what you're looking for when you stop looking. All of your exes with lessons in. Talk about them again, you keep on settling. Wonder if love is a pain or the medicine. You never let it in, well I guess that you're right. Fake has been never my type, and I didn't build up this wall overnight. See, I wanted more than just lust for the night. Then you came in my life, you're different than them. I'm used to them playing pretend. I'm used to your only a friend. Felt deep in each letter you send. I'm questioning loving again. I'm questioning when it will end. Then till I break it, my heart don't break even. I want this for longer than only a season, and you didn't break me. You came to pick up the pieces. No, you never hear it, but you is who I believe in. No one ever perfect, but you are perfect to me. And lately I'm believing in love. You are the reason I'm talking to my angels above. Wish you could meet him, wish I could see him one more day. Just to hear his voice tell me everything is okay. Just to show him that the sun is here, broken and changing. Hear him laugh when I tell him about the stories we made, pretending like I'm okay. I'm broken and you know it. Building up a wall and never show it. Grabbing on my face told me focus. You're not the only one that's been broken. I'm hoping you open up. I thought what? Thinking that I'm always hoping, but I realized I've been swollen shut. There's more to us. There's more to love than surface lust, the surface front. And tonight I might spill my guts. She said. Can't tell what he did before to make you feel like you're less, you're more. Your clothes are floor. I guess I got a glass full of feelings that I overpour. Now I can't handle my liquor. We get love drunk and we keep getting sicker. I tell you you're worth it, if something gets triggered, you start crying. Like Mark, why you lying? Your beautiful body and mind, you're rolling your eyes. I get that you're trying. See, lately my heart is surrounded by lines, but if you have time, I would love for you to bear with me. Look up at the stars and just stare with me. Travel around the world through the air with me. I just wanna be with someone that'll care with me, there with me when it all comes crumbling down. And pick up all the parts of me you see on the ground. I gave him all of me and he was fucking around. Look longer than nasty, how I'm supposed to pick it, they pounds, damn. I know you're feeling distant, saying men are all the same, I can tell you different. No, I don't deserve a chance, but you down listen. A broke rapper with a dream and a grand vision. I'm damn driven and you know that I'm believing in you. You focus on the things you said you never could do. You focus on the drama, all you need is the truth. And you to see what I see in you, if only I could too. I don't wanna be a memory, wanna wake up and see you next to me. Wanna dream bigger, better legacy. I know I'm more than open sesame, but if you wanna break the code, you get the best of me. It's when you said to me, yeah, it's when you said to me. Said you'll find what you're looking for when you stop looking. All of your exes with lessons in. Talk about them again, you keep on settling. Wonder if love is a pain or the medicine. You never let it in. Well, I guess that you're right. Fake been never my type. And I didn't build up this wall overnight. See, I wanted more than just lust for the night. Then you came in my life. You're different than them. I'm used to them playing pretend. I'm used to you're only a friend. Felt deep with each letter you send. I'm questioning loving again. I'm questioning when it will end. Bet till I break it, my heart don't break even. I want this for longer than only a season. And you didn't break me. You came to pick up the pieces. No, you never hear it, but you is who I believe in. No one ever perfect, but you are perfect to me. And lately I'm believing in love. You are the reason I'm talking to my angels above. Wish you could meet them, wish I could see them one more day. Just to hear his voice tell me everything is okay. Just to show him that his son is here, spoken to change. And hear him laugh when I tell him about the stories he made, pretending like I'm okay. I'm broken and you know it. Building up a wall and never show it. Grabbing on my face told me focus. You're not the only one that's been broken. I'm hoping you open up. I thought what? Thinking that I'm always hoping, but
I pull off with my nigga finna throw a fit. I pull up on a bitch, I don't say shit, she getting in. But I had to kick out, I tell her ass to get in. I embarrass her in front of all her friends. You see I do a lot of shit, not just because I can. I could kill a man with my bare fucking hand. And I don't need a gun to fucking help with my defense. He play with me, I hang him up on the front fence. Leave it up to me, I'm turned to a man of prince. And I don't give a fuck about none but a spliff. You switch it back to us, my whole squad smoking ghost dust. She couldn't pull my damn blunt with a tow truck. Leave it up to me, I smoked the whole thing. One puff, I had enough. I ain't finna mingle with no fuck boy. Which one? I'ma hit first when I come for him. Can't sit back, bitch, I'm trying to go and look for him. Squad say to chill, man, them little niggas ain't that important. I say, yeah, you right, my boy. Now it's time to get the smoking. See me on the mountain looking out, I'm cold as Nova Scotia. You can sip some lean, little bitch, I drink my own potion. All these little niggas don't even know where they going. I triple full so easy cause he don't know what he doing. I make a new tag and lay that up on you prick niggas. Don't come asking me about shit, I don't talk about nothing, nigga. I think I sing too much, I'm trapped inside a trip, nigga. Now I be zoning in and zoning out until I see the children. Now I feel a little better, I'm smoking on the ceiling. I'm like a beauty, I ain't beauty, I surround your building. It's just me and my shadow club, finna get her. You see me chilling on the ship, smoking on the twister. She got respect for me, look how she call me sir and mister. I'm like chill, bitch, I'm young, but I dig the gesture. Now pull up to the show, look like Lil Biscuit in it. You see the line too long, they think that Kurt Cobain up in it. I'm like the new Foo Fighter, I don't like to fuck with niggas. I've been through shit that took the paint up off my whole picture. I turn the other cheek if she passes Swisher. I'm Mr. Excellent philosopher professor. I'm not easily impressed, I'm pressing extra pressure. I pull up and make a hater wanna find an exit. I'm headed back to Texas, but I ain't got no exes. Who is my dirty friend? Bitch, I'm all reckless. I pull in doing 100 through whoever section. I ain't switching back for none, Porto to heaven. I run this whole damn city, cause nobody living. I clean the blood on my door, cause here come the children. You give no fuck about no hater, no imitator. When you the only damn captain sitting at the table.